create a replacement strategy, because sooner or later, everybody's going to leave. You're running a successful business and everything seems to be going smooth right now. But what happens when somebody leaves? What happens when somebody retires? What are your contingency planning? Now, in the military, that's built into the process. There's already somebody ready to take over. But the military's been doing this for a long time. You probably haven't been doing that as long as our military services. You need to consciously create your contingency planning process. The way we do this is we look at the organizational chart and start at the very top. What happens when the CEO leaves? What's the contingency plan? Who's going to take over? Who are we grooming for that role? What cross-training needs to transpire so someone or more than one person could possibly move into that role? And then we go down the next level to the director level or the VP level. What happens when this person leaves? What cross-training do we need to do to create a system that's got a replacement strategy for these when the person leaves? Because sooner or later, everybody's going to leave. The military's got this built in. How does your company put that together? What are the contingency planning for your company, and how do you get there in an expedient manner for when something happens? It's not if, it's when. Not sure? Give us a call, 408-899-6737, or visit us online at brainSHARE.online for your complimentary consultation.